All right, we got a little project today here. We got a 48 Willys. Trying to get a nice picture of the thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, we're all right. You know, it's in good shape. It's been recently refurbished. The problem we have is, let me get the hood open here. Just goes in there. All right, so what we got to do here is pull the starter out. There might be a problem with the solenoid or the brushes. So I'm going to be ripping that thing out and we'll give it an examination. Looks pretty straightforward. There it is, 48 Willys, 4-cylinder. We can get this thing running. Alright, so here's the starter. We found out what the problem was. Actually, where the back bearing was all dried out, and the armature wouldn't really turn. So we cleaned that all out. It was tough to take it actually apart. And put a new seal in there, lubed it up good. We checked out the solenoid. It actually works okay. Spins out fine, and you can see the little gears coming out nice. So we're gonna throw this back in the car and see if we can get it started. All right, so here's where the starter goes. I took the distributor cap off to give myself a little more room to play in there. Gonna bolt it up, little bracket on the front. We'll get it in there and see if this thing's gonna start. All right, so I got it in the pilot hole, just tightening down the fasteners. You get the one way back here. Alright, so I had to use a little offset socket there, a little swivel socket, and just tightening up the top bolt now. Oh, pretty good. Get this thing in there in no time. Yep, right there.
Let me try to see if it'll turn on.
Alright, so we got the starter back on, return spring, the little lever, cotter pin in the back, wires wired up. So we're gonna see if this thing cranks over. Why don't you give it a shot, boss? Let me hook the battery up.
Now. Okay. Is that you there?
I'm not doing anything.
Did you see me push it on or not?
Nope, you're not doing anything.
Okay. I can't even find it.
Well, how about I do it from here? Nope, nope.
Is that the line?
You're not moving the starter at all.
Okay. Well, wait a minute. Is that it?
Nope. That's the gas pedal. You're doing something almost there. Yeah, that right there. That's it. Yeah, there you go. All right, do it again. Yep, you got it.
Good.
Yeah, so I'd say that's good. The successful starter repair. Now we got to throw the plugs in it, distribute the cap back on, and we'll get this thing running. Plug wires on, everything down nice. It doesn't run in a while, we gotta clean up, but good progress.